Hello, hi, and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today, uh, as you know, that I'll be creating this Onam look, and so basically, according to me, what I have found that people from South India, they are really very decent. I mean, yeah, I found them really very decent and very soft spoken and very simple. So yes, they are very simple, and they don't dress up very loudly. They mostly wear whites, and yeah, so that is how today I will be creating a look. And yeah, let me just show you one thing that like during this festival they generally wear white with the golden border. Yeah, mostly. So as you know, I'm from Kolkata. Being a Bengal, here in Bengal we do celebrate every festival. We do have saris for every festival, and there is a little bit of little alternate and adding and subtracting of design. So I'll be showing you this sari which I have chosen for this sorry this look. This is a pure cotton sari with a golden border, the way they do wear. And here is a little bit of applique work, okay, of a different pattern. This is I don't remember this design. I think this is kalamkari. Yeah, this is kalamkari mixed with south cotton. So yeah, this looks really very fancy. And this is how you can I'll just show you the anchal. So this is how you can wear the traditional sari. So this is how you can wear the traditional sari with a bit of unusualness to it. And yeah, let's see how I can create a very soft, subtle look. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you're new here, I'm Pamela, and this is my channel Makeup Mistress, where I post videos, reviews, and vlogs sometimes. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress, and there I post interesting content every day. Oh god. So yeah, there I post interesting content every day. And yeah, stalk me on Facebook too, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress again. And yeah, you can call me, you can text me, you can mail me if you have your marriages or any other function and you want me to deck you up. So yeah, let's not waste any other time and jump into the look. So yes, this will be a little chatty kind of a video. Mostly I'm into those voiceovers and stuff like that, and fast forwarded modes. So today I thought I was just relaxing and chatting. So yeah, that will make me little sweaty also, because it's hot and we cannot switch on the AC and stuff. Or the fan. So first, prepping up the skin is really very important. Well, I have moisturized my face early in the afternoon, like around 12ish. So now it's 3:30, I guess. Oh, it's 3:05, and so my skin is really moisturized, but I need a little bit of hydration. So I'm using this plum green tea revitalizing face mist. You can see that it's almost like it's almost over, and so yeah, I'm using this all over my face. This will make sure that my face is hydrated, and I'm not dehydrated throughout the video or even later for the day. Once the face mist is like absorbed, it has become a little tacky also. So I'll use this MAC Prep and Prime, and this is in the the Chotu version that I got for free, but I have the larger bottle for my brides and my clients, because this is so damn good. And I'm just taking a little bit of it on the back of my hand, and I'm just using it on the T-zone mainly, okay, because that is the area you need to take care of. Rest of the face is really taken care of mostly. So yeah. So yeah, today I will be using this Cup Brow from Benefit, and I'm in the shade number 4. This is the cream gel brow color with brush. And this is the brush. I love it. I just love the brush. It's very handy. And well, this number 4 is absolutely perfect for my skin, like absolutely perfect. So I'll just take a little bit of it and scrape the excess, and with the help of this brush I'll apply it. And I have to take a mirror because today I have changed the location, as you guys can see already. I'm on my sofa. Okay, so So today I'll directly move on to the foundation. So today I'm using the PAC HD liquid foundation. Well, these are the samples. I have the bigger size, but I need to use them actually. So this is number 4 and this is number 3.5. So I'll be mixing both and using them. So after the foundation, I will use some powder, and I am taking this Pro Artist Professional London palette, and this is the highlight and contour palette, and yeah, that is it. So I will be taking this powder and just apply it on my under eye area, because I'm from the oily skin family and I need little bit of powder on my face and just here, because the eye area tend to be really oily, and you know, the lid always tend to crease because my lids are very oily. And the most important portion is a smile line, because they tend to crease and leave oils and what not. So yes, so basically the T zone is where I'm applying the powder. Now it's time for some blush, and today I'm using the Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. Some flush of color is always welcome. Done with the blush. Now I'll use the highlighter from this palette only. So they have very light shimmery highlighters in this palette. So I'll mix two of the shades and I'll just I'll just apply it. So they are blinding. They are really good because you know, just in one swipe it just gave that glow. Next thing I'll do is I'll use some face spray, I mean makeup fixing spray. This is the Cover FX illuminating spray. This is the Cover FX illuminating setting spray, and you need to be very careful because this is illuminating and the illuminator stays on the face. Oh god, the time I just did a full face of my bride's makeup and then I spritzed this all over, and then I found that the glitters, like, they're settling down on the face and they're not ready to move, and then oh god, what did I do? And then I managed somehow and retouched and whatnot. So yeah, be careful. So yes, let me see in the front. Oh great. Alright, so that is it for the face, and now I'll move on to my eyes, and today I'll be using this this is the Winter Wonder Glam palette from Tarte, and I will show you the palette. Ooh la la, this is so insanely pretty, guys. So it has a brush, a double-ended brush. Along with it, it has a kajal and a mascara. Wait, yeah, this is a kajal. So yes, this is the retractable kajal, and there is a mascara. So this is the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So today I'll be using this palette for the eye look, and obviously I'll use the kajal as well as the mascara also. So let's begin. So let me just bring you up close and personal and switch on the AC and just watch it. This mascara is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. You can just see that I thought today I'll be wearing some falsies because lately I haven't worn them in 2-3 of my looks, and but after this mascara is bomb. So guys, another most important thing is, if you guys want to take self-grooming, self-makeup classes, then do comment, because I'm holding a few classes. And yeah, with that I think the look is complete. and it's very dewy, and I think this is what I actually wanted to do for this festival. And I'll end up the look with some lipstick, because there is no look that is complete without a lipstick. So today I'll be wearing Nude Mood number 49 from Sugar. So I think this is the look. So let me just wear the sari and finish the hairdo, and I'll be right back.